Hey YouTube, looking at the state-of-the-art X950 limited edition iPhone case for the iPhone XS Max. This come all the way from England. It's new state-of-the-art. Came in this box. It's the strangest case I've ever seen, but it's pretty nice. Has protection all around. Does come with a glass back if you want to use that, but I'm not using it because it's pretty much protected on the edges. So every time it drops anything, it's fully protected. It's a hard case to keep your iPhone safe. It comes with this pointer you're using the screen. It's also used to put the case on. You have to put the case on by unscrewing it and unscrewing the side here also. That's how it's put on.
I don't understand.
To put on, you got to remove the hex screws with the included hex wrench to open the frame, position the volume inside the frame, gently insert the iPhone, reassemble the frame, and tighten the two hex screws firmly against the screws firmly using the hex wrench. Also comes with two extra screws in case you misplace the other screws. Once you finish putting it together, you put this back and use this as a stylus for your phone. Again, this costs $79.95 if you want this. It's state of the art. I'll put a copy of the website on the link at the bottom of the screen. If you're interested, give me a comment. So that's the Project Neo iPhone XS Max case from Project Neo. See you on the next video.